Hi, I'm Ifeoma Okafor and I'll be one of your data science instructors. I have my first degree in computer science from All Nations University College, Okafor, which is affiliated to Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, which is one of the top 3 best universities in Ghana. And then I have my master's in University of Southampton, United Kingdom, where I studied software engineering. Data science is a branch of software engineering. Going into software engineering, you have the option to diverse into different fields, and data science, I found it interesting because maths is actually a part I have good flair in, and so it was easy to just dive in. I enjoy anything related to data science, which has to do with the calculations, the programming bits, or even Excel, which is database management. And aside that, why do we go to school in the first place? We all go to school so that at the end of the day we can get good jobs to make money. And so data science being one of the very interesting career paths to apply on, I found it interesting to go that way and at the end of the day, earn a living. In this incubator program, I'll be taking you on Excel and SQL. Your expectations should be everything, because we are going to come from ground level, which is the beginners program, down to the advanced stage. So this program is for everybody. You don't have to feel restricted. You don't have to feel limited that, oh, I'm not in that field, or I don't have that basic knowledge. We are going to ensure that we train our students to the best of our capacity or capability. No, not necessarily. For me, you have to have the interest and the time to be able to go on this program. That interest will push you to achieving the results you desire at the end of the month. From me, your expectations should be content, getting good value for whatever program you're channeling your data, your time into, and I'll try to make it as interactive as possible so that you don't just leave or get just the theoretical aspect of it, but you enjoy what you're doing at the end of the day and get value or the knowledge, which is what we intend impacting at the end of this program. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys. Don't you want to see this beautiful smile? Okay, so yes, I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you, and I hope you come with the zeal that is desired to achieve your results at the end of the day, because in truth, we can only teach, but that interest, that passion has to come from you to be able to get that result, or to be able to carry through the 7 months which is desired. So I would expect all of you to key into this opportunity. It's quite a rare one. You don't see it all the time. So since we are offering this, I bet you will have no regrets at the end of the month. You're welcome. Bye.